A gorgeous smile is able to make a big improvement in confidence and self-confidence. Dental bridges are a sought-after method of restoring lost teeth as well as creating a flawless smile. In this clip, we'll explore the various kinds of bridges used in dentistry as well as the procedure for getting an implanted dental bridge, as well as the advantages of the best dental bridge. Types of dental bridges. There are many kinds of dental bridges which can be utilized to fill in the gaps of missing teeth. The most popular type is the conventional dental bridge. This is comprised of an artificial tooth, Pontic, fixed with two crowns for dental use and bonded to adjacent teeth. Another kind of bridge is the cantilever and is utilized if there's just one adjacent tooth to provide support to the Pontic. Maryland bridges can also be used in which the Pontic is fixed through a ceramic or metal framework, which is attached to the teeth adjacent. Process of getting a dental bridge. The procedure for obtaining an implanted dental bridge generally involves 2 or more trips with the dentist. On the first visit, the dentist will prepare adjacent teeth by stripping part of the enamel to make enough space for the crowns for the dental. Dental impressions will be taken before sending them to a lab for dental treatment where the bridge for your dental needs can be made to order. At the same time, it is possible for a temporary bridge to be placed in order to safeguard the teeth exposed. In the following appointment, when the bridge is permanent, it will be bonded in the desired position, and any adjustments will be made in order to assure a perfect fit. Benefits of having a dental bridge. An expertly crafted dental bridge will provide many benefits both aesthetically as well as functionally. The dental bridge will help you regain your ability to chew and talk properly while also ensuring the proper alignment of your teeth and keep them from shifting. A dental bridge improves the appearance of your smile, creating gaps that are left from missing teeth. It can also give you the appearance of a uniform and attractive smile. A dental bridge will enhance your general quality of life through restoring self-confidence and confidence. Dental bridges are a well-known option for replacing missing teeth as well as giving a beautiful smile. There are many types of dental bridges that are available that each have their particular benefits. The process for getting an implanted dental bridge is straightforward and can be accomplished with just a few trips to a dentist. Benefits to getting a bridge made of dental material are many, such as better chewing abilities and speech in addition to improved aesthetics of your smile. If you're suffering from tooth loss and are looking to boost your smile, you should consider the dental bridge you need to fill the gap and regain your confidence.